Hey y'all, it's Lexi Lemonade, and here I am with another video. As you can see, I decided to lock up, and this is my 1-month locked retwist and update. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and as you can see, my hair is looking kind of cray. Lots of new growth. So I'm using Lockology, Aloe, and Tea Tree Retwist Gel. And this is very lightweight. And I'm going to section off my hair and use my fingers to twist and palm roll. And then I'm going to secure with a clip. You will see here. So I decided to lock up. I just felt like I kept cutting my hair and then dyeing it and then cutting it. And basically the same old. So yeah, this is my hair before, as you can see, and I big chopped after this. So here I am. I'm just sectioning off the hair that I'm going to twist, and I sped this up a bit because it was taking a long time. But if your hair starts to dry out, make sure to spritz with water or rose water, aloe vera juice, whatever you decide, and retwist on damp hair. This is my second retwist. I haven't done twists or locks in the past, so this is kind of a learning experience for me as well. I started these myself with 2 strand twists, so the parts are not perfect, but that really wasn't my mission to have perfect parts. I just wanted it to look as nice as possible, and I kind of just wanted a hairstyle that would be easy to maintain, you know. And I'm interested to see where this journey takes me. So yes, I'm currently pregnant. So I decided to do the rest off camera and then show you guys the results in the morning. So here I am. I'm going to take off this satin bonnet. I'm going to show you all the pins and basically take all them out. And then I will moisturize and oil my scalp. So stay tuned for that. I didn't get the exact number, but I have about 100 locks. I got these pins from Amazon, and it's a set of 80. And here I am misting my scalp and my hair with water. I just love the way it feels on my scalp, so I mist my scalp too. And I'm using this growth serum oil that I got from Beas Honey. I'll link it below. But it's really lightweight, that's why I like it. So I just use it on my scalp. And then I'm twisting any loose twists that I find, and I'm going to secure it with a pin and let it sit for a little while longer, just so my retwist will last longer. I really want my hair to lock up, so trying to keep these as neat as possible. So that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna wrap my hair up and basically rest. Yes, so that is all. If you have any questions below, let me know, and I'll update you next month. Thanks for watching.